Hi guys, welcome to this video. Here I will explain today about the header exchange. Firstly, let's see our setup. So we have producer, we have header exchange, we have queues, and we have consumers associated with our queues. So if you will see here, when the producer start publishing the message to the header exchange, here the message will not contain any routing key, but it will contain a header message. So the header part will contain the key value pairs, same like a map in Java. So it will have a key value pair, and we have three queues, and like I said, each queue will be associated with the consumers. So in this case, when we bind the queues with the exchange, we use the header, not the routing key. We use the header to bind between the exchange and the queues. So in this exchange, if you see, this will also have a key value pairs. uh, Along with the key value pairs, you have one mandatory thing that is called x match. It has two values like x match any or x match all. So when you send message to the header exchange along with the header, it will see what is the binding value, what is the header binding value over here. Suppose here we have as x matches any. So it means if any of this value matches with this value, then the message will be propagated to this particular queue. Okay, if you see over here, suppose the value 1 is electronics and value 2 is garments, and in this particular header you have electronics and you have garments. Here it is matching actually both, so it will, since any of it should match, so the message will be propagated from here to the electronics queue. Let's go to second queue, that is garments. Header, here we have the header as x match any. The value is one is men's and other one is garment, so only one value is matching with this value. Since x match is any, so the message will also route to this particular queue. Now if you say, so in this case, value 1 is electronics, which is matching, but value 2 food is just not matching with this value, so message will not be routed in this particular queue. So this is all for the head exchange. We'll learn the hands-on coding using Spring Boot in the next video. Thank you.